The scandal around the health of former President Joe Biden is escalating. More and more details are coming to light and painting a picture that is very damaging for Joe Biden's presidency, his staff, and ultimately for the Democratic Party. The details are coming fast and furious. Of course, it has escalated with the cancer diagnosis of Joe Biden, which was announced on the weekend and led to questions: how long did the president, the White House, and his doctors knew about this disease? Many experts are not believing that it was only found out now. They state this cancer must have been around for a long time. This, of course, fits in the picture of what really happened during the Biden presidency, and it becomes clear that maybe he was not that capable to rule this country after all, because of this very rapidly declining health and mental acuities. Obviously, more and more details are rolled out in books about meetings where Joe Biden froze, about Joe Biden delegating decisions to other staff members. And of course, the question is, what was the role of Jill Biden? She was very protective, of course, over her husband, but was she also involved in decision making? Was she practically a shadow president, really, who ran the White House while her husband was ailing? Of course, also the focus is on a small cabal of trusted advisors around Joe Biden, led by Ron Klain, the chief of staff. They now, it is said, have made decisions, have made policy, and possibly without the permission of Joe Biden. And then is the question of the autopen. Most of the signature of Joe Biden, the president, were generated by a computer program. Now the question is, who ran the autopen? Who was in charge there? Questions over questions. The Republicans, of course, are jumping on this growing scandal. They are discussing possible hearings in Congress, and then there might be subpoenas for Ron Klain and others around the president, asking them, what did Joe Biden know really? How much was he in charge? How much did he actually run the country? That, of course, will be a very damaging scandal for the Democrats. Just the timing is impossible for the party. They were just trying to regain momentum after the devastating loss against Donald Trump last year, and now they have to answer a lot of questions about a gigantic health cover-up. Some people say this might get bigger than Watergate.